Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by checking physical and software prerequisites. This is where most setup succeeds or fails. Power the system, reset the card, and plug the correct 6-pin or 8-pin connectors so the GPU gets stable power. Then install the vendor driver, NVIDIA or AMD, because the driver exposes features and performance. Once done, make sure BIOS/UEFI is updated and CSM settings match your OS. These steps avoid device enumeration problems and let the GPU initialize correctly. You now configure the operating system and driver utilities so the GPU performs reliably. In Windows or Linux, select the GPU for specific apps. This directs workloads and prevents accidental use of integrated graphics. Next, tune power limits, fan curves, and clock offsets in the vendor utility to balance thermals versus performance. Install monitoring tools to watch temperature, RAM usage, and frequencies in real time, because understanding telemetry helps you diagnose throttling and optimize for stability or peak throughput. You finish by validating and fine-tuning the GPU for your workload. Run a benchmark and a stress test to confirm stable clocks and temperature under load, because synthetic loads reveal throttling. Then optimize by adjusting game or application settings, resolution, and refresh rate to reach your target FPS or compute throughput. If problems appear, check thermal readings, roll back or clean install drivers, test the PSU rails, and reseat the GPU. These steps fix most hardware or driver-related failures.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.